How often have you made a purchase purely because you saw it in a window, or more likely on a website homepage? Decided then and there that it was screaming your name and then you bought it. If your self-control is anything like mine, that's actually how you do most of your shopping. The impulse buy, while mostly fun and only sometimes a huge mistake, is on the wane as digital marketing learns how to talk to consumers long before they reach the shop front. Thank God for that too, or half of us marketers would have lost our jobs by now. Hey guys, this is Trav from Neighbourhood, where we help brands find, sell and keep their people. Typically, truly before becoming a customer, the individual goes through what we like to call a sales funnel. It comprises of a variety of stages, from the buyer becoming aware of the product or service, to them doing their research, reaching out to the business before finally committing to buying it. In the modern age, it's easiest to visualize it as all of the stuff a person does on their phone prior to actually buying something. Researching a company, checking with friends that also own the product, messaging the company to learn more, etc. The stages themselves can change depending on what model you choose to use. But with each stage, the amount of potential customers within the funnel lessens, hence the funnel shape. The goal of the marketer is to move their prospects through the funnel, turning those folks with just a passing interest in your brand into valued customers. Here are 3 stages of the funnel that will help you sell your product just like a pro. So take a look. Number 1. The understanding stage, or what we like to call it, top of the funnel, or TOFU. At this stage, your prospects are just discovering your products or services. For this, they'll research channels like your social media pages and informative content like blog posts. And you'll want your SEO to be on point here so that you show up when they're inevitably having a bit of a Google. To get on the radar at this point, you want to create awareness about who you are and what you do. Creating content themed around the sorts of issues that your customers may be facing is a good idea. Almost everyone goes online to check out their options before making a major purchase these days. Hence, there is a great chance that your customers fall into this category. One of the most powerful ways to grab their attention is using high quality content like blogs or white papers. Use social media channels to promote your stuff and get that SEO popping so that you're well on the way to TOFU success. Number 2, the educational stage, which is the middle of the funnel, or MOFU. Time for your prospects to learn a little bit more about you, helping you move them from the top of the funnel to the middle of the funnel. Now is the right time to start talking solutions, ways to fix their issues or problems that you have outlined in the top of the funnel content. You're teaching people and educating them about how you can help themselves and preparing to show them how you can specifically help them in stage 3. Blogs are a nice way to grab the attention of your customers, as are case studies and ebooks with an educational slant. You really want to engage with your customers at this point, as they're a fickle bunch these days and they're going to cut loose any solutions that are not a good fit for their problem. The 3rd stage, which is the verdict stage, bottom of the funnel, or BOFU. The big finish is your content that specifically talks about your own products or services. By now, your prospects should have an understanding of their problem, have some ideas for solutions, and be on the search for a specific product or service to fix their problem. We've waited until now to talk about ourselves because these folks have shown that they're invested now. Any earlier and we would have been that super annoying dude who does nothing but talk about themselves on the first date. Some of the most effective types of content that work at this point are trial offers, demos, product literature, and case studies. Talk about yourself because you've earned it. If you found this video helpful, then feel free to share it with someone that you know that needs a hand with building their digital sales funnel. You can also subscribe to our blog where you'll find a bunch more tools, tips, and templates to help you find, sell, and keep your people, just like Neighbourhood does. And that's it from me. Happy marketing.